Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Crack Java Interview with RK. So today we are going to discuss the top 10 most asked Spring Boot interview questions. You must know if you want to master Spring Boot and crack interviews. Whether you are a fresher or an experienced professional, these questions are commonly asked. So it's important to well prepared. Make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Java interview questions and Spring Boot tutorials. So let's see the first question. What is Spring Boot and how is it different from Spring Framework? Okay, so Spring Boot is a framework built on top of the Spring Framework that make it easy to create stand-alone production-ready applications with minimal configuration. Unlike Spring, where you need to manually configure a lot of things, Spring Boot auto configure them and provide embedded server like Tomcat. Next, what are the advantages of using Spring Boot? Okay, so Spring Boot offer rapid application development by providing a starter template, automatic configuration, production ready metrics, embedded server like Tomcat, and minimal XML configuration. It helps to reduce boilerplate code and make it easy to get started with Spring projects. So next question, what is the Spring Boot application annotations? Okay, so Spring Boot application is a combination of three annotations. First one, configuration, enable auto configuration, and component scan. It is used to mark the main class of a Spring Boot application and to enable component scanning, auto configuration and Java based configuration. Next question is, what is starter dependency in Spring Boot? So starter dependencies are a special set of libraries grouped under a single name to simplify build configuration. For example, adding Spring Boot Starter Web automatically includes libraries like Spring MVC and Tomcat, helping developers avoid manually specifying every dependency. Okay. Next, how does Spring Boot achieve auto configuration? So in Spring Boot use the @enable auto configuration annotations, which tell Spring to automatically configure application component based on the dependencies present in the project class path. It checks for specific class and set up the required beans and configuration automatically. Next, how do you create a Spring Boot applications? To create a Spring Boot application, you annotate a main class with @Spring Boot applications and call Spring application.run method. Inside this main class, inside this pass your class name dot with dot class and arguments inside the main method. This set up the Spring context and launch the embedded server automatically. Next, what is application.properties or application.yml file? So these files are used to define configuration values outside the code, such as database URL, server ports, and custom properties. Spring Boot automatically load these files and bind the value of to the application at runtime. So friends, ये application.property फाइल होती है, एक होती है application.yml फाइल. हम दोनों में से कोई भी एक यूज कर सकते हैं इसमें. तो इस फाइल के अंदर क्या करते हैं, हम अपने डेटाबेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करते हैं, राइट. डेटाबेस यूआरएल, डेटाबेस यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड एंड अपना सर्वर पोर्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. बाय डिफॉल्ट जो जो होता है, बट हमें अगर मैनुअली कुछ अलग अपना रखना है, चेंज करना है, तो हम इस फाइल के अंदर आके अपना चेंज करते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंपोनेंट, सर्विस, repository and controller annotations? So all of these are store type annotations that mark class as Spring managed component. Component is a generic store type for any Spring bean. Service mark a class layer class. Mark a service layer class. Okay, next, repository. It is used for persistence, doubt classes, and also add exceptions. Translation. Okay, next, controller. Controller is used for web MVC controller handling HTTP request. Next, what is actuator in Spring Boot? So Spring Boot actuator provide ready to use endpoints, okay, to monitor and manage your application. It expose metrics like health status, environment properties, application info, and allow you to easily check system performance in production environment. Next and last question, what are the profiles in Spring Boot? प्रोफाइल स्प्रिंग बूट में क्या होता है? तो प्रोफाइल्स अलाउ यू टू कॉन्फ़िगर डिफरेंट सेटिंग्स फॉर डिफरेंट इन्वायरमेंट्स लाइक डेवलपमेंट, टेस्टिंग, प्रोडक्शन बाय यूजिंग एट द रेट प्रोफाइल एनोटेशन और एक्सटर्नलाइज प्रॉपर्टी फाइल्स लाइक एप्लीकेशन dev.properties. It help manage environment specific configuration है cleanly. सो प्रोफाइल क्या होता है? जो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी फाइल होती हैं एप्लीकेशन डॉट प्रॉपर्टीज, उसमें हमें अलग अलग इन्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से फाइल बनानी होती हैं. जैसे टेस्टिंग के लिए बनाते हैं हम, टेस्टिंग पे जो डेटाबेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा उसकी अलग इन्वायरमेंट वो हो गया, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगी, उसका पोर्ट अलग होगा, और स्टेजिंग का अलग पोर्ट होगा, और डेवलपमेंट का अलग होगा, प्रोडक्शन का अलग होगा. तो उसके लिए हम अलग अलग प्रोफाइल बनाते हैं. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट, so okay, that's it for today's session on top 10 Spring Boot interview question. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for Crack Java Interview with RK for more Java interview questions and Spring Boot tutorials. So that's it for today's session. Thank you.